Deep frying at home can often seem like a daunting task, filled with messy oil splatters and inconsistent results. However, this T-Fal 3.5l stainless steel deep fryer with basket is here to change that narrative. This appliance promises to deliver restaurant-quality fried food with minimal hassle thanks to its innovative features and user-friendly design. In this detailed review, we will explore why the T-Fal deep fryer stands out in the crowded market, its key features, and how it can transform your home cooking experience. Why choose the T-Fal 3.5l stainless steel deep fryer? Before diving into the specifics, let's address the fundamental question. Why choose the T-Fal 3.5l stainless steel deep fryer? The answer lies in its combination of advanced technology, ease of use, and thoughtful design that caters to both novice and experienced cooks. Key features. 1. Oil filtration technology. One of the most compelling features of the T-Fal deep fryer is its patented oil filtration system. This system automatically drains and filters the remaining oil after each use, storing it in a removable, tightly sealed container below the fryer. This not only simplifies the cleaning process, but also allows you to reuse the oil, saving time and money. This innovative feature ensures that your oil remains clean and your fried foods consistently delicious. 2. Precise temperature control. Achieving the perfect frying temperature is crucial for crispy, golden results. The T-Fal deep fryer offers a precise temperature control system, allowing you to adjust the temperature from 300 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This flexibility ensures that you can fry a wide variety of foods to perfection, preserving their authentic flavors and textures. The quick recovery heating system further enhances this feature, ensuring minimal oil absorption for healthier, crispier results. 3. Generous capacity. With a 3.5-liter oil capacity and the ability to hold up to 2.65 pounds of food, the T-Fal deep fryer is perfect for family-sized meals. Whether you're frying chicken wings, French fries, or donuts, this fryer ensures uniform heating and perfect golden results every time. Its generous capacity means you can cook for up to 6 people, making it ideal for family dinners or small gatherings. 4. User-friendly design. The T-Fal deep fryer is designed with convenience in mind. It features a locking lid and a large viewing window, allowing you to monitor your food without risking oil splatters. The cool touch handles provide added safety, and the automatic shutoff function gives you peace of mind during operation. These thoughtful design elements make frying at home not only easier, but also safer. 5. Ultra-easy cleaning. Cleaning a deep fryer can be a tedious task, but the T-Fal deep fryer simplifies this process. Its components, including the cooking basket, bowl, lid, and oil box, are all dishwasher safe. This means you can enjoy the convenience of professional deep frying at home without worrying about the cleanup. The easy-to-clean design ensures that you can spend more time enjoying your delicious fried foods and less time scrubbing greasy components. The oil filtration technology of the T-Fal deep fryer is a game changer. After frying, the system automatically drains and filters the used oil, storing it in a separate container for future use. This not only ensures that your oil stays clean and free of debris, but also extends its usability. The convenience of this feature cannot be overstated, as it significantly reduces the time and effort required for cleanup. The precise temperature control and quick recovery heating system of the T-Fal deep fryer guarantee consistent frying results. Whether you're cooking delicate vegetables or hearty meats, the fryer maintains a stable temperature, ensuring even cooking and perfect browning. Users have reported excellent results with a variety of foods, praising the fryer's ability to deliver restaurant-quality fried dishes at home. From setup to operation, the T-Fal deep fryer is incredibly user-friendly. The intuitive controls make it easy to select the desired temperature, and the large viewing window allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid. The cool touch handles and automatic shutoff function add an extra layer of safety, making the frying process worry-free. Even if you're new to deep frying, the T-Fal fryer's straightforward design makes it accessible and easy to use. Cleaning up after frying is often a dreaded chore, but the T-Fal deep fryer's dishwasher-safe components make it a breeze. The removable parts are easy to disassemble and clean, and the oil filtration system ensures that the oil is clean and ready for future use. This convenience encourages regular use, as you won't have to dread the post-cooking cleanup. Pros and cons. Pros: innovative oil filtration system, automatically drains and filters oil, saving time and money. Precise temperature control, adjustable from 300 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect frying results. Generous capacity, 3.5-liter oil capacity and 2.65-pound food capacity for family-sized meals. User-friendly design, locking lid, large viewing window, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff for safety and convenience. Easy cleaning, dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup. Cons: size. While the generous capacity is a benefit, the fryer may take up considerable counter space in smaller kitchens. Initial cost: the advanced features and convenience come at a higher price point compared to basic fryers. Final verdict: elevate your home cooking with the T-Fal deep fryer. The T-Fal 3.5l stainless steel deep fryer with basket is an exceptional appliance that brings professional quality frying to your home kitchen. Its innovative oil filtration system, precise temperature control, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for anyone who loves fried food. While it may require a bit more counter space and a higher initial investment, the benefits it offers in terms of convenience, safety, and consistent results make it well worth it. If you're ready to take your home cooking to the next level and enjoy delicious, crispy fried foods without the usual hassle, the T-Fal deep fryer is an excellent investment. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and get ready to transform your kitchen experience. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.